He's a damn fool.
Where's the pizza? Well, guys, that's the Hanapi supermarket called. I'm sorry, well, sorry about me. And well, see you guys soon if I survive.
Like mother, like daughter in our head wrap, yes. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. We are heading out this morning. After waking up this morning and dropping my boy to school, did my morning routine, baby's off to work. I am now back and rested a little bit, and going to take Sarah to her 4 months doctor's appointment right now. So we are heading out to catch the bus. It should be a rainy day, so I'm not sure how it will be as yet. It's not raining as yet though, so hopefully it will hold up until I at least reach there. However, I have our cover for a stroller, I have umbrellas and everything, so we should be okay. This is my girl outfit of the day, in her head wrap, her white outfit and her shoes, yes. And this is mama's outfit of the day, just a dress. I don't have my shoes on as yet though. Anyway, it's chilly outside, so I gotta get my jacket on and stuff like that. Say morning to the face. Say morning, face. Mama lips white, I need lip gloss. Say morning, face. Morning. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Make sure you guys get your workout in today, girl. Make sure you guys get your workout in. I didn't get my workout in this morning, but hopefully I'll get it in before the day ends. Let's watch and see. I'm heading out right now. Here my phone is ringing. So have a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. I love you guys. You want to see yourself? Look. Who is that? That's you? Ooh, pretty. Hi, hello, good morning. Hi, baby girl. Good morning. You catching this one? You like this one? Oh, you hung on to that one. Say good morning, Fibs. Good morning, princess forever. Of course you are my princess forever. You are my princess forever. Good morning. What's this on your face? Julie mode. Oh my gosh. Hi faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Man, speak about tired. Jeez. Every day these days I come on and tell you guys how tired I am. You guys, something gotta give this morning. I did not work out. I got back from dropping Tyler at school this morning and I felt so tired and my body said, girl, sleep. So I slept. Even though you hear me always going on and on about being fit and working out, I listen to my body. So I'm not telling you guys to go and kill yourself, and I'm not telling you guys to go and wreck yourself or to go and work out when you feel like you just can't. Go listen to your body and do what you gotta do and just roll with the punches. It will all fall in. You have a lifetime to work out. So if one day your body said no, then don't do it. So I did not work out this morning. I went right back in my bed. I was tired, so I get a little nap in with my girl, and I realized that ever since we got back, she's not back into her routine as yet, and I'm trying to work with her and try to figure something out for her routine. But because I'm breastfeeding, it's not so easy, but we'll get there. No rush, we'll take her time. So I'm having some little rough nights, so my mornings are a little bit tiring, but anyway, I'll get through it. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever it is that you guys are doing today. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and have fun doing whatever it is that you're doing. Just go through the motions. I woke up this morning and I dropped Tyler to school. I got back and like I said, I went straight to bed. I just got up and Sarah's here playing under her plaything here. Look at her. You wanna see yourself? There you go. Say hello. Hello. Hello, Princess Forever. Hello. Sarah is here playing, and I just made some breakfast. And for breakfast this morning, this is what I'm having. I'm having plantains and egg white. And you say, Mel, why egg white? Where is your yolk? Because you guys know that I don't buy eggs in the, I don't find liquid egg here, so I can't just pick up egg white, but I buy my whole egg. But you guys, I have a problem. I have a big problem that I've been trying to figure out for a while, and I think I finally figure out what it is that's causing the problem. I thought it was after childbirth effect. I thought it was something that I couldn't figure out. I thought I just needed a washout. Let's keep it real. Let's just keep it 100, y'all. I have some of the stinkiest brickwind, let's use that word, brickwind, I've ever smelled in this entire lifetime. When I tell you that it's terrible, I mean it's terrible to the point where I want to run from myself. Like literally run from myself. I can't even chance it in public or in a tight space. Impossible. Anyway, I've been trying to figure out what's causing it for a while. And since I went on vacation, I realized that it stopped. There's no more strong smell when I break wind. So I said, okay, yay, that's super cool. I got back and start eating eggs again. And I'm saying, oh, okay, that strong smell is back. So now, starting this morning, I'm cutting out the yolk to see if it's the yolk that's causing it. If it's not the yolk and I'm still having that strong smell when I break wind, I am going to stop eating eggs altogether. Altogether, because it's that bad. It's bad to a point where, Lord, I always read on the news that plane have to make emergency landing because of strong break wind, or husband kill. I don't want you guys to read on the news that wife kills her husband and her kids with break wind. That would be sad. I'm not even joking. It's bad. Like, it's really bad. You guys don't laugh at me, but it's serious. It's really serious. So I'm gonna try it this way, and if it doesn't work, I'm honestly gonna stop eating eggs because I can't handle it myself, and it's from me. Okay, so I can't imagine what my family is going through, you guys. Anyway, enough of that. A little laughter is good. Enough of that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab on breakfast right now and jump right into my day. So you guys have a good day. Next thing I'm having problem with is constipation, which you guys know that I've been troubling with for a while. And I also thought that it was after childbirth thing, why it's continuing. But then I went on vacation and it stopped completely. I was so happy on vacation to use the toilet. I had no constipation worries. Got back to France, and you guys know how much I love apple juice here. Started drinking back apple juice, and the constipation is back. So I'm saying, oh, they always say that apple juice is supposed to make you not constipate, but however, this one is doing the other way around. In Jamaica, I had apple juice. In USA, I had apple juice, but I had the Mott's brand, not this French brand. So I'm thinking that it's the apple juice that's making me constipated. When I'm evaluating and checking off everything that I've consumed, I really think it's the apple juice. So now I am experimenting. Stop drinking the apple juice for a while, and one day I haven't drank it, one day I didn't drink any, and I went easy the next day. So I'm saying, oh, it's the apple juice. So now limiting my apple juice. I'm not cutting it out entirely. I'm having like a glass a day or none at all, just to see if it's really the apple juice that is making me constipate. So now I'm thirsty and I don't feel for any water, so I'm going to make some green juice instead of drinking apple juice. Story of my tea, my life, y'all getting it today. You see it coming off the carpet. Hey, yeah. What you doing? You're catching my face. You're catching my face. You're catching my face. You have stinky butt. You have stinky butt. You have stinky butt. What? You have stinky butt. She's so adorable. You have stinky butt. What? You have stinky butt. You have stinky butt. You have stinky butt. You have stinky butt. You just want to grab my face. No! Not my glasses. Not my glasses, girl. Not my glasses, girl. Girl. You're funny. Soon your head will be so big it won't be able to go under here. No, it's so tiny, it just goes right under there. You're too sweet. Come on, Mama, change your diaper. before Mama finish? Who is awake before Mama finish cleaning the bathroom? That's my fat cheek girl. Yeah. I paused from cleaning to get myself some lunch. Though it's 3 p.m. I'm just having lunch. I have late breakfast, so that's okay. So for lunch today, I am having mashed avocado, smoked salmon, a yogurt, and toast. So I'm gonna make a toast with these, and that looks so delicious. Sarah is having a teething moment, so Sarah is having a teething moment, so I have her in my hand while I'm eating. And she just woke up, so I'm doing mommy and wife and everything in one. Multitasking. Gotta do what you gotta do, honey. Look at her face. She's not happy right now at all. You guys know my biggest joy is seeing Sarah wearing Tyler's clothes. I think she's the cutest. Look at Sarah. But Mama, where's mine? You want some? You want some? Yes, we can eat this, don't worry. No. I'm so busy. I'm making some vegetable soup real quick. Tyler just reached home out of the cold. And this morning before he went to school, he asked me, Mama, can you make some soup for me, please? So I'm making him some soup.
With some fries and chicken and ketchup.
So I'm making some soup, which he's gonna have right now because he loves vegetable soup. And then I have some chicken going on the stove, and he's gonna have that with some fries Friday night. So normally you just have whatever. Come, baby. Well, that looks good. So that's gonna go with fries. The fries gonna find the fire.
Okay.
And of course, Ty is home from school. Let me show you guys Tyler. He is right there. Ty, say hello to the face.
Okay.
What did you have for lunch at school today?
That has some rice and some fish.
Rice and fish.
Yes, rice with the fish.
And what else? Rice with fish and what?
Banana.
And banana?
Yeah.
Yummy. That sounds good. You eat it up? You eat it up?
And that's not that it.
Huh? What else? You have more things?
Yeah. And more cheese.
And bread and cheese?
That's some water.
Hi everybody, well, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
It's first to seeing you from morning.
Yes, it's the first to see me because he didn't show me in the supermarket. I just come back from the supermarket, I'm very hungry. But Tyler is sleeping, so Tyler won't do the supermarket haul, but don't worry, somebody else.
The king of the hall is here.
I was actually thinking about you, but...
Me?
Yeah, I want to hear a Jamaican
No. You're the king of the hall. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Before the kids wake up.
Let's do something. Water. We need 3 cases of water this time. 3 big cases of water because we plan to work out a lot. So we need to drink a lot. So...
Okay, Mr. Drama.
Water. And let's see what we have. What's the yellow? green and red pepper. Sweet pepper. No yellow pepper. No yellow sweet pepper. You don't like yellow?
Yes, but I didn't take the one with the yellow. That's okay.
Cookies for Tyler.
Tyler, that definitely cuss you out if you didn't say that.
Some avocado. Oh, this time you find green avocado.
Yes,
Wow.
because I have 2 ripe ones.
Okay, good. Because it's hard to find
Green ones.
Yeah, every time you go, you
Yeah, I
buy
always
avocado
get
and then
them.
you let him spoil in.
That's why I find green ones, because I have 2 ripe
national
ones.
sport for you.
What's the national sport for
To
me?
buy avocado and let it spoil. That's the thing. No, not
Broccoli.
Broccoli for Tyler. Cucumber. How you eat that? Cucumber. I don't see no cucumber. You eat that? You put it in a smoothie?
The green juice.
Oh lordy, I don't want that green juice. Green juice for
Babe and Tyler.
Tyler too?
Tyler have green juice every morning.
Maybe that's why you constipate. Maybe you should stop. Some
But you're gonna die.
plantain, nice plantain, green plantain, another one green plantain that fell out the bag, and some green juice. Celery? Oh, that's celery? All I love. I can eat and just
Lie.
leave
Lie.
with all of these green.
Lie.
It's so green, everything green. Well, one thing is for me, when you see that, what do you think it's for me?
The cookie.
Sorry. That's it there. Baby's in the mission. She even buy like
Green.
grain bread.
Seeds bread.
Bad. Not bad at all. Carrots. To give some color in your plate,
Green life.
in your life. Juice. We drink so much apple juice. So much.
I think it's what makes me constipate. I have to cut back on it.
You drink apple juice everywhere you're going. No, it's the broccoli that make you constipated.
Shut up.
That's sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. That's something that I really love.
Yes,
And
you do.
Not that I love sweet potatoes. Sometimes I eat sweet potatoes somewhere else, but it don't feel the same. I think babe have a magic touch when she cooks it. So I love sweet potatoes from her cooking. That's true. Some more apple juice. Cheese not enough, trust me. Somebody can drink and by tomorrow one will be finished. Some nuts, we love this as a snack. Is
Almond in English. It's grilled almond nuts without salt.
Yeah, you have this
Very
taste.
nice.
And when we snack, I love to snack this. And when you start
Healthy
and you want
snack, you have to
continue and you
cut
continue,
yourself
or you
from-
can't, when
stop
when
yourself
take it,
from-
You have to take some from the pack and leave the pack away.
Oh yeah, if you ever carry
eat
the
from-
pack.
You finish the pack.
That's true.
Hot chocolate is cold season about to start or already starting, and we having a lot of chocolate, hot chocolate. So we need that. What else do we have? Yogurt. Tyler love chocolate yogurt.
Very
Only
much.
that chocolate
Whose child is it to love chocolate so much?
You have to be mine. You have to be mine. And me some nice yogurt, coconut yogurt, vanilla yogurt, shrimp. Shrimp is not healthy, right?
Yes, it is.
It is. I
Very.
was about to say if it's not healthy, it's just for me and not for you.
You wish.
Well,
Smoked salmon.
smoked salmon, you get that on the lunch. But
Yeah, have it for lunch a lot.
some nice chicken. We eat so much chicken.
We soon start flap our wings like chicken. So that's like quack quack quack.
Some more chicken.
That's it.
No, that's not it. We went to the big supermarket. So, some
Paper towel.
pepper towel.
Tell I would say it would be from a bottom.
Tell a favorite one. Some biscuit.
Tell a
Tyler
favorite
called
biscuit.
that happy
So
biscuit.
happy biscuit.
Because
This smiles on the
Smile
package.
biscuit. So,
That's why.
Papa, can I have some happy biscuit, please?
But
You know
he's
which
right.
one
That
it
biscuit
is.
looks very happy,
Happy biscuit.
and he loves it just because it looks happy.
Did you take banana? I mean,
No, there's banana in the fridge. No,
Oh.
I was gonna take it, because I realized you eat them in the mornings.
yeah, to watch it.
I was gonna
and
take
eat
it and something distract
breakfast
me.
with that is something that I don't used to eat, but this last days, yes, because I just can carry that with me and it's kind of fast. We have some, how you call that in English?
Paper towel. We call everything paper towel, but
Paper,
he's
tissue, anything?
yeah,
Alright, to clean your noise.
yeah. Quinoa.
I didn't know we have bird. You know how to feed the bird when we have a bird at home. We have a bird at home, so
Are you a bird me I go feed
that's apple.
to make green juice?
I put that beside other green. Don't want to mix color like the dirty clothes. You don't mix color. And corn
That's it.
for the bird. Looks like it is. Where's all the candy? We have no candy. Can you believe there's no candy and just one pack of cookie for me and Tyler gonna eat all of it? I'll be sad. I'll be sad.
You look depressed.
I am. I'm just looking at everything we got green and I feel sad.
He's a damn fool.
Where's the pizza? Well, guys, that's the unhappy supermarket one. I'm sorry. Well, sorry about me. And well, see you guys soon if I survive. If I survive. One
He's a damn idiot. You guys look at Tyler. Tyler is in his sister's stroller. He's fast asleep. So we're gonna take him out and put him in his bed right now. And Sarah is in her car seat. She is good in her bed right now. Anyway, you guys, that's it for the supermarket haul. You guys can't listen to my husband. I don't think he said he's right. So I'm gonna pack away these things and then have some hot chocolate and spend some time with my husband, honey.